Hello students. So today we will continue the multiple choice question of self practice 4D. In the last class we have solved till question number 7. Now we continue from question number 8. See the question number 8. Nine by 4. If 9 by 4 to the power x, if 9 by 4 to the power x multiply 27 by 8 to the power x minus 1 equals to 3 by 2 to the power 7. Then find the value of x. In this question also we have to find the value of x. So again we simplify it first. We solve this equation. We make the base of the left hand side exponent as 3 by 2. And what is the base of the right hand side exponent? And after that we compare the index of both left hand side and right hand side exponent. Okay. So first we simplified. Here you see the base is 9 by 4, it is 27 by 8. So convert this base 9 by 4 in the form of 3 by 2. Convert this base also 27 by 8 in the form of 3 by 2. Why? How we do that? 9 is the square of 3 and 4 is the square of 2. So on the place of 9 by 4 we can write 3 by 2 whole square. So on the place of 9 I can write 3 square, and on the place of 4 you can write 2 square and whole to the power x. Here on the place of 27 we can write 3 cube. On the place of 8 you can write 2 cube, because 8 is the cube of 2 and 27 is the cube of 3. Now right hand side base is 3 by 2 whole to the power 7. Now here you see the base are different but the power is same. So take the power common. So we can write the base 3 by 2 and see both the base having same power 2. So take the power common. 3 by 2 whole to the power 2 and whole to the power x. Multiply. Here also the bases are different and power is same. Both the bases having the same power 3. So again we are going to take the base common 3 by 2 and whole to the power 3 equals to 3 by 2 whole to the power 7. Now here we apply the power law. Over the base 3 by 2 there is 2 power raised. One is 2 and another is x. So we apply the power law. A to the power n to the power n gives you a to the power m multiply n. So by applying the power law, take the base common 3 by 2 and multiply the power, that is 2 into x. Now here multiply 3 by 2 to the power 3 equals to 3 by 2 to the power 7. Now in the next step, after this the base are same on the left hand side, 3 by 2 and 3 by 2, and both are multiplied with each other. So we apply the product law. When the bases are same and both are multiplied with each other, a to the power m multiply a to the power n, take the base common a and add all the power m plus n. So see what will be the next step. So the next step, 3 by 2, we take the base 3 by 2. In the next step we take the base 3 by 2. And we add the power because applying the product law. 2 multiply x means 2x, that is 2x, and the second power is 3. First power is 2x, second power is 3, that is 2x plus 3 equals to 3 by 2 to the power 7. Now both the base are same. Since it is an equation, both the base are same, so its powers must be same. So this implies that on comparison, this implies that 2x plus 3 is equals to 7. So the value of this 2x plus 3 is 7. Then only its value will be equal. Now we have to find the value of x. So transpose this 3 on the right hand side. So on the left hand side that is the plus 3. So on the right hand side it will become minus 3. Now 2x is equals to 7 minus 3 gives you 4. Now we have to transpose this 2. 2 is multiplied with x. So when we transpose this 2 on the right hand side, it will divide the right hand side term. So it will divide the right hand side term. Then we will get the value of x. See what it will be. So x is equals to 4 divided by 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So the value of x is 2. So the value of x is 2. See which is the correct option? B. Option B is the correct answer. Option B is the correct answer for this question number 8. Okay, now we move to the question number 9. See the question number 9. 3 to the power a equals to 3 to the power a, this is a, power a, not 9. 3 to the power a equals to 729. Then the value of 3 to the power a minus 4 square is what? It is given if, then find the value of 3 to the power a minus 4 square. 3 to the power a minus 4 whole square. What will be its value? So first of all we find the value of a from this exponential equation, and after that we put the value of a in this expression. First we find the value of a from this equation, and after that we put the value of a in this exponential form, and then we will get the answer. See, when you factorize 729, you will get in the form of this value in the form of base 3. So in what is the power? How many power you raise? 729 is the value of 9 cube. 729 is the value of 9 cube, and 9 is the value of 3 square. So see what we write on this. So when you find the prime factor of 729, what you will find? 729 is the value of 9 cube. So you can write 729 as a 9 cube. 9 9s are 81, 81 9s are 729. So on the place of 9, you can write 3 square. On the place of 9, you can write 3 square whole cube. 3 square to the power whole cube. So now take the base 3 common and apply the power law, that is 2 3s are 6, multiply the power, that is 3 to the power 6. So on the place of 729, we can write 3 to the power 6. So here I am going to write on the place of 729 this value 3 to the power 6. See what we write? 3 to the power a is equals to 3 to the power 6. Now this implies that this is an exponential equation, both the base are same, so its power must be same. So left hand side power should be equal to the right hand side power. So this implies that a equals to 6. So when the power of 3 is 6, then only its value will be 729. So that's why this implies that the value of a is 6. So we got the answer, value of a. Now put the value of a here in the exponential form. Now 3 to the power a minus 4, 3 to the power a minus 4 squares value we will find. Now here we apply the power law. Take the base common. First of all you put the value of a, that is 6 minus 4 whole square. On the place of a I have put the value of a, which is 6 we got. On the place of a we substitute the value of a, that is 6, which we got. Now here 3 to the power 6 minus 4 gives you 2 whole to the power 2. Now apply the power law. Take the base common and multiply this power. 2 multiply 2. What you get the value? 3 to the power 4. And the value of 3 to the power 4 is 81. Value of 3 to the power 4 is 81. So what will be the answer? So value of 3 to the power 4 is 81. So when you multiply 3 itself 4 times, you will get this answer 81. Okay. So which option is the correct? Here the option is D. 9th D option is correct, 81. So 9th D option is the correct answer. 9th D. Okay. Now we solve question number 10. Now see question number 10. So question number 10, evaluation. Evaluate. See what is the expression that we have to evaluate? 7 to the power 0 plus 25 to the power 0 plus minus 2 by 11 whole to the power 0. Now multiply minus 3 to the power 2 minus 3 to the power 2 and whole to the power 10. Multiply minus 3 square whole to the power 10. This value we have to find. Okay. Now see how we will solve this question. So see, in this question we will apply the zero law of exponent, which says that zero law of exponent says that any base having power 0, its value is 1. Any base having power 0, its value is 1. Here the base is 7, power 0, so its value will be 1. So on the place of 7 to the power 0 we will write 1. On the place of 25 to the power 0 we will write 1, because any base having power 0 value is 1. Here any base power 0 value 1. Here also we will get the value 1. Multiply. Here we apply the power law. Common base, 2 powers are raised 2 and 10. So take the base minus 3 common, and after that you multiply these 2 power, 2 multiply 10. Now here you see 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3. Here we got 3 multiply minus 3 raised to the power 2 tens are 20. 2 tens are 20. Now after that we have to find its value. 3 multiply minus 3 to the power 20. Now the base are not same here. Here the base is 3 and here base is minus 3. So to apply the product law, a to the power m and a to the power n, see the base are same, both are plus a plus a. So if the base are different, so we cannot apply the product law. So to apply the product law, we have to make this both bases same. So how I can make this base same? This minus I will write minus 3 as see. What can I do? 3 multiply, on the place of minus 3 you can write minus 1 multiply 3 to the power 20. On the place of 3 we can write minus 1 multiply 3, because minus plus minus 1 3 is a 1. This will also you give it just the same value 3 minus 3. Minus plus minus 1 3 is a 3 minus 3. Now here the two bases are there and both bases are different, minus 1 and 3, and the power is common to both the different base. This power 20 is for the minus 1 also, and this power 20 is for 3 also. So when we expand this exponent 3 multiply, we can write minus 1 to the power 20 multiply 3 to the power 20. Now you see. Now we have converted the base same. This is also plus 3, this is also plus 3. Now if the base is negative base having even power, minus 1 is itself multiplied by even number of times, that is 20 times. 20 is the even. So if the base is negative base is negative and power is even, so you will get the positive value. So minus b means it is negative base. If the base is negative and the power is even, 20 is even, so you will get the positive value. Answer will be in positive. So the answer of minus 1 to the power 20 is plus 1. So what we get the answer? 3 multiply 1 multiply 3 to the power 20. Now this 3 ones are 3. This will give you the value 3. Now 3 ones are 3, multiply 3 to the power 20. Now bases are multiplied and both are same, also take the base common and add the power. So on this 3 there is no power mentioned. This means if any number having no power, that means this power is 1. So 3 we can write 3 to the power 1 also. So add the power 1 plus 20. 1 plus 20. So the value you will get 3 to the power 21. 3 to the power 21. See which option? B. Option B is the correct answer. Option B is the correct answer for this question number 10. So till question number 10 we have done, students. So in the next class we will solve the remaining question 11 to 15. So this is all for today. Thank you for your kind attention.